Hi, this is Tom Schneider, CEO of WhisperKOOL. I'm excited to share some information on new products that we will be releasing into the marketplace. The high-efficiency condenser cassettes offer a host of advantages over traditional refrigeration condensers. Our 220-volt systems are energy efficient and utilize 50% less energy to operate. The systems come standard with oversized condenser coils and liquid line injectors that allow the units to operate effectively in high heat environments, such as Arizona in the summertime, where temperatures can get as high as 116 degrees. The large fans and rotary compressors offer quiet operations between 48 and 55 decibels. Installation is simple. Controls and valves are easy to access and hook up. The system does require the use of a communication cable from the evaporator to the condenser. For simple and faster installs and maintenance, we have placed QR codes on the system to access important information fast and easily. The system comes complete with an attractive housing that looks good in an outdoor environment. These systems come standard with cold ambient controls. This allows the system to operate in winter environments as cold as -20 degrees Fahrenheit. The condenser cassettes are available with all our current evaporator models and come in Mini, 4000, 8000, 9000, and 12,000 series units. These products will be available in June 2021.